Okay, in this video, I'm going to do a really quick walkthrough on an enscape, how we do a video editor path, or how do we make a video. So you open up enscape and you click on the video editor, and then if you click here, this shows you the video editor keyboard shortcuts and some explanation of the commands. So get your camera where you want to start, and you want to click on the left side, which is the start of your video. So that would be your first keyframe. So you just click there, and it puts a little arrow there that shows that's the start of the video. Then you move your enscape window to let's go back to that keyframe. So now we're going to move our enscape window or our viewpoint to a different location. And we don't want this to be the end, but if we have only the second thing, it's going to have to be the end. So if you click on this button again, it will make it the new beginning, and it'll get rid of the other beginning. So click on this button and make it the end. Now, once you've made it the end, now if you wanted to go back between the beginning and the end and try a different one, you can add one in the middle. So you always have to do those first two before you can add the next one. So now I'm going to continue my path over here. And I'm going to make this last one the end. And see it, then it takes the old end and it moves it into the middle. So I can click on this keyframe and see that, oh, that's in the middle, that's in the end. So when you're if you're in this keyframe here, you can hit escape and back out a little bit, and it actually shows you your video path. So you can see my first video is there looking at the house, then it moves there looking at the house, and then it ends there looking at the house. And you can click on these to get back into the editor. And you can also just hit delete and get rid of the keyframe. So just use the highlight the keyframe and use the keyboard command to delete it. So in order to save the path, you got to click here and you go to save path to file. So this is obviously, well, first off, let's play, before we save it, let's play. So we can change when the timestamp is and when the duration is. Let's play from the beginning. See, so it's taking 9 seconds to get to the end of those 3 keyframes. Okay, so that's a start. So just for the video here, I'm going to save that. So I'm going to go save path to file. Now, I've already tried this, and it defaults to the C drive, to the Revit program folder. You don't want to do that because now it's going to be, it should be in your project folder. So the same place you have your Revit file, you should save your video path and name it. So if you've got 20 different video paths, I'm just going to call this test front on my downloads folder, but you should put this in the same folder where the Revit file is, because then it will save it and you can go in and edit it and load it back in, bring it into another computer because you've got that file saved. Then once you're done, you can go ahead and export it. And once you get that exported video, just leave this at the default for now. Once you have that exported video, you can take that and bring it into the Windows movie video editor and splice them all together. So very quick, there's some more professional videos by experts on my YouTube channel, but this is just me getting my head back around it after not using it for a while and recording.